Hi super achievers, I am a PCB student and I want to build a career in occupational biology. Can you suggest? This is one of the questions asked by a student like you. ये क्या है? आज का वीडियो इसी के बारे में है, The careers in occupational biology. क्या क्या देखेंगे आज हम लोग इस वीडियो में? Today we will see what is occupational biology. Many of you may be knowing. Let's see what is occupational biology and why the demands are increasing in this career, increasing more in abroad areas. Where are the jobs in India? Private sector, in public sector. What is your salary range, starting salary range, and the best courses to build a career in this field? जानना चाहते हैं? Stay with me 5 to 6 minutes. By the way, this is Atindram Careers. My name is Pratap Harichandran, where we are building super achievers. Don't forget to share my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. PCB, कोई भी स्टूडेंट जब क्लास 11 में PCB चूज करता है, जनरली क्या रहता है बैकग्राउंड में क्या रहता है? I will crack NEET and become a MBBS doctor. Many students think like that. अगर MBBS नहीं हुआ, I can become a dentist or a homeopathic doctor or a Ayurvedic doctor. And कोई भी नहीं हुआ, तो I will do MSc or I can go for biotechnology, emerging careers. Lot of options are there. Biotechnology में काफी सारा वीडियो बना है biotechnology. You can go through that. But there is a hidden career that is today we are discussing. Occupational biology career. Simple example. When I was staying in Delhi, besides my home, there was a girl student. She was doing her MSc physiotherapy. Physiotherapy comes under occupational biology careers. After completing her course, she got a job in private sector. इसमें क्या है? तुरंत आपको जॉब मिल जाता है. ठीक है, जॉब जो कि हाई सैलरी रेंज नहीं है, इसलिए लोग सोचते हैं कि ये लो ग्रेड जॉब है. ऐसा नहीं है. Let's go find out what is occupational biology. Occupational biology मतलब if you are doing a career, if you are building a career, you are helping people to recover from injuries. Injuries कहाँ से आता है? Accident से आता है, mental injuries होता है, war injuries होता है. You just help them to recover, improve daily life activities, return to normal life after illness, and improve mental and physical functioning. These are the basic things about this career, what you do actually, and it is related to occupational therapy and physiotherapy, rehabilitation activities. ये actually basic things है about these careers, and help me how these people are coming from where these people are coming, like stroke patients. आपको अगर हाई ब्लड प्रेशर आपको पता नहीं हो गया and you have a stroke and generally paralyzed one side or brain something happens. So stroke patients are also increasing due to lifestyle diseases. Injured people, just I told you, from accidents, war injuries, children with disabilities. There are different types of disabilities. And the last one, which is critical one, elderly people, aging people. It is increasing day by day in India as well as abroad. Abroad में ज़्यादा aging people हो रहे हैं because their population, the young population is decreasing. Aging people are increasing. India में भी धीरे-धीरे ये increase हो रहा है. So demand is increasing because whatever I told you, like aging people, the population is increasing. Aging people, disability of children are also increasing. Lifestyle diseases, and जो stroke patients, ये सब increase हो रहा है. That's why demands are also increasing. Also, government of India is thinking, already they have opened rehabilitation centers. District level में open होने जा रहा है. Definitely, when district level में open होगा, तो demands, just imagine how much the demands will be. So जो भी jobs रहेगा गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में रहेगा, जैसे गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में रहेगा, रिहैबिलिटेशन सेंटर में रहेगा, मेडिकल कॉलेजेस में रहेगा, गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर. और लेट्स गो टू दी प्राइवेट सेक्टर. प्राइवेट सेक्टर मतलब थेरापी सेंटर्स. आप अगर सिटी में जाएंगे, देर आर मेनी थेरापी सेंटर्स. फिजियोथेरापी तो आपको देखने को मिलेगा काफ़ी जगह, फिजियोथेरापी सेंटर्स, चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट सेंटर्स एंड योर स्पोर्ट्स रिहेबिलिटेशन सेंटर्स. स्पोर्ट्स इंजुरी से जो होता है, स्पोर्ट्स में जब इंजुरी होता है, देन स्पोर्ट्स रिहेबिलिटेशन सेंटर्स आर बोथ गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर एज वेल एज प्राइवेट सेक्टर. एंड पीपल ऑल्सो डिमांडिंग होम थेरापी. घर में जाके आप थेरापी दे सकते हैं. फिजियोथेरापी ऑल्सो यू गो टू द होम एंड गिव देम द थेरापी. सो अगर देखेंगे, आफ्टर वर्किंग फॉर 3-4 years you can become a freelancer. You can open your own clinic. There are also options. You can have a startup in this career. सैलरी रेंज, अगर आप जॉब करना चाहते हैं, सैलरी रेंज जनरली 2 to 4 lakhs इन इंडिया. 2 to 4 lakhs इंडिया. अगर थोड़ा मतलब सीनियर होंगे, दैट मीन्स विंग एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 6 to 8 years, 10 years, योर सैलरी विल इंक्रीज फ्रॉम 10 to 12 lakhs, 15 lakhs भी हो सकता है. बट अगर देखेंगे अब्रॉड में, इंडियन रुपीस में देखेंगे 35 to 80 lakhs per annum. So much of money salary in abroad. अगर आप खुद का एक रिहेबिलिटेशन सेंटर खोलते हैं और एक क्लिनिक खोलते हैं फिजियोथेरेपी, जैसे जनरली आई हैव सीन फिजियोथेरापी क्लिनिक्स, month, I mean, generally you can earn lakhs per month. Easily you can earn lakhs per month, but not from the starting. Once you have that name and fame and experience, you start helping people and they have been cured by you. Then you start, that will also go on increase. So this is your salary range. The best courses, क्या courses आप कर सकते हैं? You can do bachelor in occupational therapy, bachelor in physiotherapy, and BS in rehabilitation science. These are the 3 main courses. And the colleges, institute, you can see in my screen, where you can do this bachelor's degree, then you can do also your master degree. So this is all about your career in occupational biology. If you are really thinking of, if you want to do a career in this job, in this field, then if you have any doubt, you can ask me, I can help you out. All the love, all the power.